Gosh darn it. Come on, guys. Come on, I'm working here.
Yeah, baby! Hole in one! Jesus, Barack! Slavery's over, man! Take a day off, will you? Hell, if anybody deserves one, it's you!
I could use a day or two to decompress. Maybe you're right, Joe.
You bet your biracial ass I am! I got this free cruise. You take it. It'll just be you, Michelle, and the Gulf of Mexico. Hell, I'll even look after Bo while you're gone.
You know what? Hey, it's perfect timing. What the heck? I'll do it.
Ah, that a boy! I'll set you, it, up.
Wow, Barack, we have this whole thing to ourselves?
That's right, honey. Now, aren't you glad you didn't marry that white guy?
Barack, shut up.
Yes, dear. My bad.
Au revoir, suckers!
Come here, you. I just love my Michelle Welly.
What, Barack?
Well, wait a minute. Let me explain.
I thought we agreed. No more cigarettes.
I'm trying, but it's like Pookie from New Jack City. It just be calling me.
Ugh!
Oh, Michelle, come on.
Ugh, he's so get on my nerves.
Let her go. I got that. I just gave myself a bailout. Now, this is what you call cool under fire. Oh, no, smoke! No! Ah! Okay, pretend it's Scarlett Johansson. I can get it.
Black on black crime. Such a shame.
¡Ay, el tiburón!
¡Ya, cabrones! ¡Vámonos! ¡Ay, chingados!
¡Vámonos! Wait! You don't have to run. I'm your friend. Remember? Si se puede! Si se puede! Oh, no! We are bipartisan politics, all rolled up into one. I'm left wing, you're right hook. I'm the brains, and you're the brawn. I'm the beauty, and you're the... Well, you already know how you look. In other words, we'll never get anything done.